Once again, I'm back here with another video. A lot of you were asking me how we can remember words, and this is the majority of the learners are stuck with this problem. Even I was also. So this is the problem. Like when it's time to speak in front of people, that time we forget our words. I mean, what to say. And I think without words or without vocabularies we cannot learn this language. We all know that, like, if we want to build a house, we need bricks, and we can build a house by brick, not just with one thing. So in this video I will tell you the exact thing that I did, and 90% of learners, or I mean, say not learners, 95% of English speakers, they did if they learned this language, I mean, as a second language or third language. I am the person, like, I just started learning this language a year before, and trust me, like, this is my third language. My siblings, my family, and my all surroundings, they are speaking in Marwari language, even not in Hindi. So this is my third language. So I can tell you in a better way, or I can tell you better from those who's but I don't want to talk about other people. So this is the thing. If you want to learn new words, if you want to remember new words, this is the right video for you guys. Trust me, after watching this video till the end, you won't regret about it. So, and I think you are the right person that needs this video. So the thing is, in first part I'll tell you how you can learn new words, and in the last part, I mean the second part, I will tell you how you can remember, like, what's the science behind our mind to remember anything, not just word or vocabularies, to remember anything. So let's, without wasting of time, let's get started. If you are new here, you can subscribe this channel if you are finding or vibing with this video. Okay, so the first part is how you can learn new words, how we can learn new words. Nowadays, like, I've seen a video in which a boy was making vlogs, and in that vlog he was picking words, he was learning English, and and that video went viral, guys. So in that video, what he exactly was doing, he was just making vlog by his phone, and also he was, whatever he was doing, like, he was doing some random things as a daily life routine works. So he was doing, and he was picking words, like, whenever he was picking some, okay, so yeah, this is phone case, and he was just recording himself. Yeah, this is my phone case, and if I tell you this is a book, and he was doing in this way, he was just narrating his life, whatever he was doing. So, and this thing, I did the same thing. You can go on my channel and you can watch my first hour video in English just 1 year before. So this is the right way, by narrating your life, whether you are recording yourself or you are just doing your work. You should just pick words, whatever the words, like, okay, this is a chair, this is a ring light, this is my phone, everything. Just pick words, narrate your daily life, and by narrating your life you can easily find words, and this is the right way. I know if you are preparing for something, and if you want to learn business vocabulary or something, whatever, but the thing is, the matter of fact is, like, we all need English to do something relevant to our field. Okay, but first thing is, we have to live our life, daily life. So we need daily life vocabularies first. And if you are feeling like, yes, I'm an English speaker, by doing your daily routine, you will feel more good. And if you are feeling good as a learner, not a single person can stop you by becoming a great speaker. So if you want to feel good, you have to narrate your life, and you need to learn basic vocabulary in your basic life, I mean your daily life you can use. So narrating your life is the only thing to learn new words by yourself. You can learn words by watching YouTube videos, and a lot of PDFs are there. You can just download the PDFs and learn 1,000, 2,000 or 5,000 vocabularies, but they won't work. Definitely they would not work. So The thing is, how you can find words? By narrating your life. I already mentioned this thing a lot of times, and this is the only thing that I truly address, or I truly believe in this thing. This is the only thing. Even I have my own vocabulary list, and I have remembered, like, I have learned those vocabularies around 500 or 1600, 600, sorry, 600. But even I'm not using those words, because I'm using only those words which I'm practicing those words. If I'm practicing those words, then only. So first part is complete. By narrating your daily life, you can learn words. Let's jump onto the second part, and this is my favorite. In the last video, or I think last to last video, second last video, I mentioned this thing, that our mind is incredible, guys. We can visualize anything and we can achieve anything. Nowadays I'm reading this book called Attitude is Everything, and this is a great book, guys. Great book, I would say. And the thing is, the science behind our mind is, if you want to learn or remember words or remember anything, you have to sharpen your mind. How you can do this? By speaking. First thing, by speaking, by writing, by listening, by visualizing. Yes, write that word. If you find new word, pick that word, add to your vocabulary list, add to your Google Translate bookmarks. You can easily find a app, Google Translate, in which you can bookmark all your vocabularies that you learn through narrating your life. This is my favorite one that I did. You can ask me about this any kind of applications. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. So first thing is, just put that word, write that word, speak that word, listen that word, okay, and visualize. We are doing writing, we are doing listening, we are doing speaking, but what about the visualization part? Our mind is something like it's mental movie. Like, whatever you are seeing in your real life, it was your mental movie before it appears in the reality. So if you want to speak those words, let's suppose, like, in today, this day, you learned around 5 or 6 new words. In the night time, in the evening, you have to write those words. You have to make sentence related to those words. Write those words, speak those words in front of mirror. Yes, I know it seems boring, but yeah, this is the thing. This is the only thing. Life is boring. Building empires, learning to make money, boring. Learning anything, boring. Building skills or learning new skill, boring. But the result is interesting. Okay, so we have to do boring things before enjoying the interesting one. So what you can do? Sentence, make sentences, write sentences, listen those sentences. You can record yourself. How you can do? You can record yourself, and after you can listen, what did you say? Super simple. We all have phones, but we are not using them as a tool. Use them. A lot of AI are there, so use AI tools and all. I'll make more videos about it, but okay, just come to the point. So the thing is, listen, and the last one is visualize. Let's suppose you write down 5 sentences, okay, related to those 5 words. Just close your eyes and visualize yourself speaking in front of people, in front of someone, in front of your friend, in front of your girlfriend, in front of your boyfriend, parents, family, in front of anyone. But just close your eyes and visualize. Feel, relax your body first. Just relax and visualize by speaking those sentences, those words, that you are using those words. This practice can make you fluent in English. Super simple. We all are learning skills, and if you are learning something, you are just transforming your mind. You are just reprogramming your subconscious mind. This is the only thing, and without visualization practice we cannot change our belief system. So this was the video. Write, speak, listen, and visualize your life. I'm telling you again, I already mentioned this thing in my last video. This is crucial. If you didn't start yet, please start. If you have any doubts, any kind of problem, just let me know. I'll help you guys. We can talk on call, one-on-one, no issue. But please do this. Only thing, I'm reading this book now, and what I'm doing, I'm reading 2 lessons every day, and I'm repeating. I'm reading this book, I think third time. Yes, third time. Twice I already done, and I'm reading this book third time, and I'm reading out loud, like I'm reading. Yes, sometimes I also read in my mind, because I love to read in my mind. But I know, we all know that if you want to improve your English, you need to read out loud. By doing this thing, you can do this. But narrating your life to learn new words and visualize those words. Visualize yourself by speaking those, and you can use visualization with the other practices as well. If you have any doubts, if you want to get help from me with anything, not just with vocabulary, with anything while learning this language, I'll help you with always. So you can connect with me over my WhatsApp or other social medias, and also you can comment in this video. I'll meet you in the next video with another interesting topic, and also with great energy. Thank you so much. If you are watching till now, you means a lot. And if you are watching till now, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.